Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the site geology and tidal extremes so the structure lasts. First, verify bearing capacity and scour risk. Order a geotechnical report and tidal survey. Once done, set the exact footprint and elevation referencing flood maps and 100-year storm data and secure permits. Make sure to schedule marine logistics, barge windows and cranes, because construction depends on access. You will place foundation piles or a caisson quickly after mobilization to prevent weather delays. You now build the vertical core. Construct a reinforced concrete caisson or stone masonry tower to resist wave and wind loads. Use corrosion-resistant rebar and marine-grade concrete mix. Pour in lifts and cure between intervals because proper bonding prevents cracking. Once the shell is stable, install the internal service shaft, spiral stair, and electrical conduits. Do this before external finishes. Make sure to fit access hatches and drainage to manage moisture, and apply sealants and sacrificial anodes to extend life. You finish by installing the lantern room, the lens or LED optic, and the aiming/rotation mechanism. Set the focal plane to the charted height so mariners can rely on it. Then connect the power system, grid, generator, or solar with battery backup, and program failover and automation. Once wired, run range and flash pattern tests, verify visibility charts, and commission the light with authorities. If the light is weak or inconsistent, check lens alignment. Dirty optics and power voltage first. Clean and recalibrate before major repairs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.